Joe! Cian! Come back. Deliveries.
Well, that was fun. Time to go home.
Joe, aren't you forgetting your deliveries?
That's right. Wait here.
Bye-bye, Goodbye.
Here, a bucket.
Joe, that bucket has a flower in it.
Huh?
That bucket has a flower in it.
Flower.
Yes, it does have a flower in it.
Hey, hurry back up.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Claire, what do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket. No, Joe. You put sand in the bucket with a spade.
Oh, wait here. Oh. Here, a spade.
Joe.
No, Joe. You're thick.
Too big?
Yeah.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Now we're going to make a sand castle.
Hands up. Hands up. I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah.
I couldn't.
Claire, we had to deliver 3 items. A bucket, a spade, and an ice cream. Would you like some ice cream?
Yes, please.
Oh, wait here. Ice cream! Have some ice cream.